Guys, welcome back to another episode of VBuilds. I have converted this Scorpio 2006 CRDI into 2024 Classic and have a look and let me tell you all the details, what is happening, how much I spent on it, how much time I spent, how I changed all the parts. Everything is also available in the whole video series, but I will still explain it to you in this video. Let's go. Let's start with the front profile. So let me open the bonnet. The best thing is that the bonnet fit perfectly in the tie member. So you can just drop the bonnet from from the open position and it will lock in place perfectly. So that's one. Let me just open it and show you everything. Starting with the bonnet, the first thing that we replaced the bonnet and it cost us 5,000 rupees. And the best thing is it came with a bonnet scoop, which if I had to buy separately it would cost me 1,500 extra, so I could save that money. Next is this tie member. So this tie member is the most tricky thing to install in this whole build. If you are able to do it properly, you just have to cut the old tie member from left and right and then install this new one. If you are able to do this properly, then half of your build is already successful, because everything else just install on this tie member and fits perfectly in place if this is installed properly. So what we did is cut it from this side and that side and install and weld the new tie member on the right and the left side. So that's how we have a new tie member in place. So this tie member is a bit longer than the old tie member, about 3 inches. So that's why I cannot use the old tie member. Next are the headlights. So both these headlights, left and the right, they combined cost me 8,000 rupees. 8,500 actually. And then the grill and the monogram, actually the grill and the monogram came with a set including the bumper, DRL, grill and monogram, and everything for S11 Classic cost me 5,000 rupees. If I was just converting it to S11 and not Classic, it would have been 5,000 cheaper. So all these are new and they are not used. So grill separately cost 1,800, bumper cost 2,200, and then there are a DRL and fog lamps right there. So they are installed in the bumper itself. And this bottom part of the bumper, I painted it chrome because that's how it is in a new Classic S11. Also, I tried using stickers but it didn't work, so I just painted it. Next, about the headlights. The headlights have indicators, eyebrows, and the Classic has yellow indicators like this one, but the old one had white indicators. So that's about the headlights. Oh yeah, on the right side they have projectors also, if you are able to see. That's the front. And about the bonnet installation, for installing the bonnet you're supposed to replace the hinges to new S11 hinges, which basically articulate the bonnet to move a bit forward when it opens. So here you see it's touching the fenders. Otherwise, if you install the hinges it will not touch, but I just tried to save cost here. I saved around 5,000 rupees for the hinges, so I did not install it. Next, there are also shockers in the new S11, which help in opening the bonnet, so you don't have to push the bonnet up really. So it costs 3,500 extra, but I did not install it. Again, budget constraint. But the thing is, the bonnet we are able to, I mean, the fitting is perfect as of now. So see, if I close this bonnet, I'll just drop it from the top like that, and it closes perfectly and locks in place. So that's the best part. So I'm not worried about the installation gaps or anything. I just installed that silver wrap there just for extra highlights. And I wrapped the whole car in pearl white wrap, which is the original color for Scorpio. Next are the alloy wheels. Check this out. These alloy wheels are, I did not upgrade yet because of budget constraints again, but I did try to find Mahindra wheel caps, which I was not able to find. So I just painted this. I did some improvisation and painted the Mahindra logo on the alloy wheels and painted them black. But anyways, moving on, these fenders are installed on the tie member itself using three bolts on the top and two on the side, which slide in directly. And then there are claddings which come with the fenders itself, and this badging also came with the fenders for both side. It cost me around 10,000, and then again the front all included 15,000. That's that. And this badging also has indicators in it, both left and right. I have made the connections to the indicator. It was quite easy. And then I haven't replaced the windshield, but if you want, you can replace that also. These are door claddings, which are also replaced for S11. The Classics one I did not install the classic claddings because they increase the cost considerably, so I just installed S11 door claddings. Next is this back, what do you call it, ear. I did not upgrade this as well because it is not that different. So it's the old one, I just painted it black. Then is the back bumper. So basically the back profile, it has a lot of things which are changed. We're starting with the back door. So the whole back door is changed. The set, if you buy it as a set, like including everything, the windshield, the wipe, the chromes and everything, it will cost you 12 to 13,000. But if you buy it as a naked door, it will cost you 9,000. And then this wiper arm cost around 650 because I got it from a wholesale store. Otherwise it might just cost you around 1200. And then this chrome also came with the back door itself because I bought it as a set, and it has a light and a rear camera as well, which might work if your system supports it. Then this door handle and indoor trim, everything just came as a set with this back door. And I got this new windshield installed on it. So this wiper actually is working. It has a motor. Let me show you. Let me just turn on the car and show you the wiper works. This works because this car itself was a top model from earlier, so it already had a working wiper. I just had to install this arm. I just used the old motor itself and it worked. Yeah, I was saying, if in case yours doesn't have a wiper motor, then you'll have to buy a new one, which will add to your cost, right? Okay. Now after all this, I also had to change the back bumper. The old one had a one level back bumper, but this one, you see, there's two levels. Basically, there's the footrest is a bit lower than the back bumper, so that was changed. And then the backlights, both the backlights are changed. They cost me combined 4,000 rupees, not that expensive. And then the spoiler, I used the old one itself because it has a light. The new one doesn't have a light. So all in all, that's the back profile. Yeah, one more thing, these lights, the upper back lights, these also, if you want, you can change them. They will cost you around 1,500. I did not change them because it doesn't, these are quite similar. Coming on to the right profile, the changes are same as the left profile. The back ear and the footstep, I painted it black. I forgot to tell you earlier. And then the roof rails were quite new, so I did not, I just painted them and used the same roof rails. uh, that's that. So total cost of everything, of the parts only, was around 55,000. And then I paid 3,000 additional for the transport, for getting everything to my place. From Delhi to my home is around 100 kilometers. And then additional 10,000 for cosmetics like paint, putty, fillers and wrap. So all in all, it cost me around 70,000, but I guess more than 70,000, around 80,000, I would say. And all the parts and everything, I was able to finish this build. And these two guys helped me also. There's Manish and there's Sumit. Manish helped me with all the installations and everything. Sumit helped with the wrap also. So as said, now there's we are blocking the way. There's a tractor on the way, so I'll have to move it and then I will continue. ट्रैक्टर आ गया, एक बार हटानी पड़ेगी. And our Scorpio build is done, and finally after 15 days and 70,000 rupees, I have converted the Scorpio 2006 CRDI model into Classic in 2024, and I'm so happy today. Ta-da! People already ask me if this is a new car or I have dented painted it, so that means our project is successful. Tada! Wow, so happy.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.